When July comes to mind, it will light up your...
Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my first ever hairstyling video. I'm not very skillful when it comes to complicated hairstyles, but I'll say that I did learn a few bridal hairstyles when I did my pre-wedding photo shoot in Korea. One key point I noticed is that Korean bridal hairstyles tend to look very neat and thankfully simple. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can easily achieve these simple Korean inspired bridal hairstyles that anyone can achieve by themselves. To make this video more accurate, I also did some research, and during my research I also found out that Koreans like to use hair accessories to complete the simple looking styles, and so I will be making use of the hair accessories I got from AW Bridal. So without further ado, let's begin. The first look is a simple natural wavy look, and this was actually my first look during my pre-wedding shoot as well, because from there they then proceed to do the other updos. I guess Koreans don't really go for straight hair, because when I did my hair they only asked if I wanted a natural looking perm or something more defined. Like nobody asked if I wanted straight hair. So at the same time, I've gotten a lot of requests by my relatives on how I curl my hair with a straightener, so I guess today is finally the day I share with you guys how I do it. So first of all, to prep my hair, I washed my hair using the Diane Extra Damage Repair shampoo and treatment, and I just let it air dry. Make sure your hair is completely dry, like a 101% dry, otherwise your curls will not last at all. Also, it's important to comb through your hair first, and I don't use any heat protectant or any other hair products other than my shampoo and rinse off treatment. So I like to part my hair into 4 parts, and I always start from the left side. For a more natural permed look, I will straighten the first like 1/5 of my hair first from the roots before twisting the straightener away from my face. To help your curls last longer, hold it together when it's still hot before gently letting it fall as it cools down. If you want more volume, you can curl your hair in different directions, but since I have really thick hair, I will not be doing that. Once I reach the top section, I will add volume to my crown by sort of curling the roots of my hair. I actually learned this trick from my hairstylist at Hair Plus Korean Salon, and to finally finish the look, I will recurl a few strands here and there. Currently, I have bangs which looks kinda messy because they are a little bit too long, and so for most of the looks today, I will be putting them to the side for a neater look. To complete the first bridal look, I will be adding this gorgeous tiara and veil from AW Bridal. Tiaras are one of my favorite hair accessories when I was at the photo shoot. Like honestly, I just felt like Miss Universe, and this one is surprisingly solid despite the affordable price tag. For the second look, I will be pinning up one side of my hair, and this is also my second look during the photo shoot. This look is possibly one of my favorite because it is simple yet elegant looking. To complete the look, I will be adding this white and silver floral hair comb. look, I will simply tie up my hair into a low ponytail. This was the hairstyle the staff at Rosa Sposa did for me during my wedding dress fitting, and I also had a low ponytail hairstyle multiple times during my photo shoot. During my research, I also spotted many Korean brides with just a simple low ponytail. For a neater look, I'll leave out a bunch of hair so I can use it to hide the hairband. Next, I thought I'd switch up the hair accessory to this dainty hairband, and I actually really like this one as well. I'm gonna let my hair down again for this next look, which is a super simple half updo. This is great if you still want to let your hair down but want it to look neater. Simply pin up the front pieces of both sides, and for me, I just did a simple twist while doing that to keep any flyaways in place. You can also do braids if you want to, but I rarely see Korean brides with braids. As I said, they seem to love really simple styles instead. I think this hairpiece is more suitable for those of you guys who want a simpler and younger look, or if your wedding is more casual and you don't want something heavy on your head. I think this is pretty much the best hairpiece if you're really clueless about hairstyling, because you don't even need any bobby pins to secure this in place.
When joy comes to mind, it will light up your heart, and they'll love you and the stars out to find.
Once again, I experimented the look with various hip pieces, including this floral hair vine. This floral hair vine is pink and rose gold, which is great for those of you who don't want an all-white look.
Talk to you and thinking I walked you and run to your dancing.
Moving on, I'll be doing possibly the most complicated hairstyle in this video, which is a bun. So first, I'm just going to start with a normal bun, and then I will proceed to do the same thing for a low bun. I feel like Western bridal hairstyles tend to feature more casual looking yet really complicated looking buns with like a ton of braids and stuff, but like I said, Koreans like to keep things neat and simple, so that is what I'll be doing today. First, I'll leave out two parts of my hair at the side and tie up the remaining. Instead of doing a ponytail, I'm going to stop midway to create a bun. Next, I'm going to tuck in the loose ends with some bobby pins. Once that is done, I will use the two parts to hide the band and fasten the ends in place at the bottom of my bun. To complete this look, I decided to go for a crown, and instead of attaching it right at the top of my head, I will be attaching it slightly towards the back so it'll look nicer from the side view. Again, this crown is so solid despite the affordable price tag, and I just love how extra it looks. If a crown is too much for you, don't worry, because I have options. For this look, you can attach the hair comb on top of your bun, and you can attach the veil below your bun. If your bun is too low, you can remove the comb from the veil and switch it to bobby pins, so you can pin your veil under your bun. So those are all the simple bridal hairstyles for this video. I want to thank AW Bridal for sponsoring this video by providing me with all the pretty hair accessories. I chose all the pieces myself, and I'm honestly impressed with the quality of all the items because they are seriously so affordable. Like, I did went to a bridal event recently, and there was a booth selling headpieces, and they were all so pricey for a headpiece that you'll probably only wear once. I think the hair accessories also makes a huge difference, especially if you are like me and you're not that skillful in doing all the complicated braids and stuff. I think they really help spice up any simple hairstyle. So I'm gonna leave the link to them in the description box below, so make sure you check them out if you're looking to get some pretty bridal hair accessories for your wedding, or if you're gonna be a bridesmaid, or even for Halloween or some dress-up party. So yeah, with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!
House with you, house my